wanted to come on here and talk about a little bit of Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang girls, because I have not really in the past been a huge Gucci gang girl, but I feel like ever since I got my slides, I have been thoroughly enjoying the Gucci gang. So I wanted to provide you with a review of a couple of Gucci items that I have purchased, what I think, how to style them, and then also some of the Gucci items that are on my personal wish list, you guys. I am your bougie bestie on a budget. Yes, your girl is on a budget, but we love, the finer things in life. So if you're not following me already, it's CRayneG over on everything, and CRayneG here on YouTube as well. Let's quickly start with this Gucci hat that I recently purchased specifically for this trip. I am obsessed with this hat. I tried on a number of Gucci's hats before I found this one, and my local SA did have to bring this hat in for me. I think the tabs on this hat just make it so much cooler than some of the other Gucci bucket hats. I think specifically this hat actually falls underneath of the, I think it's menswear, but I'm wearing a size medium now. I probably could have gone with a size small in this hat, but I'm like looking into the future and being like, well, if I'm wearing braids, I still want to be able to fit this on my head. So I think that this size is perfect for me when I'm wearing braids, which is like a summer vibe, and I feel like this is a summer hat, although there's a lot of ways that you can wear it. What did I have on? Lululemon pants. I had socks on that were showing out of my, I had on like Bottega kind of boots, and then I had on a crop black shirt, my trench coat, and then this hat. And it was a complete like winter vibe for this hat. One thing I love about this hat, you guys, is that it is reversible. So you're getting 2-in-1 when it comes to this hat. And the price point on this is so cute. So if you want to be a little bit more subtle, you can wear it on this side with the GG logo kind of just on the exterior, roll up the rim in the front, give people like a little show, like just in the front, giving them like a little thing. I kind of, maybe not just the front, but like the side. Ooh, how cute is that? And then the strings still show the Gucci logo. Super cute, a little bit more of a subtle way to wear it versus the side that I'm currently wearing it on, you guys. But I'm obsessed with this hat currently. I wore it yesterday for our tram ride and our adventure, and I thought it was like the cutest little outfit that I had it on with. And today I've paired it with the next item that I'm gonna tell you guys about, but with a Skims dress and my Gucci slides. I literally just took these off my feet, you guys. Like, how cute. This is why I bought this hat, because it matched my Gucci platform slides, okay? I love these shoes. I find them to be a great option for a lot of different scenarios. So easy to kind of wear with like a slip dress, and then the platform on them make them a little bit dressier in comparison to like just any old pair of slides. You can definitely dress them down and just wear them with like, your casual sweatsuit or whatever. Great in terms of an option for something that's like just easy to slip on and go. Yes, they are heavy. And yes, they do take a little bit of time to break in. So the front of this shoe was a little bit tight on me, and I was getting a little bit of rubbing here on the side, but all in time, all of that went away after wearing them my whole trip in Barbados. I was wearing these like the whole time everywhere I was going. So my Gucci slides I absolutely love. I think the denim on denim, or the denim, it's not denim on denim, but with denim on denim being so popular this year in terms of a look, I think that the Gucci slides in the denim print are going to be like a must have. And then there's also Gucci hats that are in denim too. Like, that would be a cool way of adding a little bit of Gucci, looks to like a denim on denim look. And I think that Gucci is the place to kind of do that fun, super cute look. Now, the last item that I want to talk about that I purchased and give you guys a little bit of insight into, which unfortunately I don't have with me today here in Palm Springs, but it is going to be the Gucci, sorry, I'm looking at the name of it on my iPad. It's the Gucci Globetrotter GG beauty case. Now, let me tell you, if you're looking for a good bag that's a good size, that comes at a good price, then this is like a great option for you guys. This bag retails for $2,100. Comparable items to this, like if you look at other bamboo style handle bags within the Gucci lineup, you're looking at approximately $4,000. If you look at other beauty cases within the lineup, you know, you're looking at approximately $4,000. Because this was a collab between Globetrotter and Gucci, this item isn't always seen, it's not always advertised, so it does make it a little bit more special in comparison to other Gucci items, and hence the reason why I decided to go with it, along with the fact that the price point on this item was just like, how do you beat that price point? Like, you cannot beat that price point of $2,100. What designer luxury bag are you buying at that price? The other thing that I absolutely loved about this item was the fact that it had silver hardware, you guys. You see, like, I'm wearing my silver Hermes earrings today, which I'm going to be giving you a review on, like, my Hermes necklace and my Hermes earrings coming in the future in terms of, like, my Hermes journey and what items are kind of on my wish list in terms of starting that journey. So definitely make sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because your girl is on the journey. We are making strides. Well, I don't know if I'm actually making strides, but I am trying to make strides towards getting, you know, in Big H's graces right now. But back to this Gucci bag, is that this is one of the only Gucci bags within the lineup that has silver hardware. And if you guys know me, you know I love silver hardware, except for the fact that tonight I'm gonna be wearing a pair of gold Valentino shoes for dinner. So that look is definitely gonna be a standout look. But anyways, this Gucci bag has silver hardware. I love that it's a little bit different. I love that it's like that structured case look. Definitely a really nice bag as a statement piece, but then something that's super cute in terms of just wearing it to the office as well, with just like a super nice tailored suit. Has the top handle, has the crossbody strap. Like, what more can you ask for? Only thing about this is that it is a little bit on the heavier side in terms of a bag. So there is a lot of room inside of it, but you can't go stuffing a whole bunch of stuff because of the structured construction of the bag. So you can't stuff it because it can't expand, which I like because it keeps that nice super structured look of the bag. How many times can I say structured in a sentence or in a paragraph or in a clip? So if you know, you know that Gucci and Alexander McQueen parted ways in November of last year, and it was quite abrupt. I feel like he did a lot for the brand in terms of kind of moving them forward, but they didn't, I don't know, they didn't say this, but I don't know if they really felt as though he was the person to take Gucci to the next level. And then literally like this morning, you guys, of filming this video, Gucci announced that Sabato De Sano is going to be the new creative director of Gucci. I don't know how you guys feel about this. Let me know down in the comment section below. Sabato has worked with some of my favorite brands in terms of Prada. So he's worked at Prada, and you know, I said in my video of like things to get to know about me that Prada was probably one of my favorite brands currently. So he's worked at Prada. He worked at Dolce & Gabbana, not a Dolce & Gabbana kind of girl, too feminine for me, but still he's worked at Dolce & Gabbana. And then most recently, before coming over to Gucci, he was working at Valentino. But none of these positions have been like head creative director positions. He's always kind of been a little bit more behind the scenes in terms of the creation of products. He's never had that like top title. So in terms of him coming over to Gucci, I'm interested in seeing what he does. In my opinion, what I think is going to end up happening is that Sabato is going to come in terms of like what he did over at Valentino was really helping Valentino have a more commercial look, something that was more timeless, that was more elegant. And Gucci has been a lot about like trend pieces, although they don't have that timeless, you know, silhouette, that timeless kind of look and feel to the brand. It's very trendy in terms of their aesthetic. And I think that by him coming in, that's something that they're going to steer the brand towards. I think that, you know, there's this big race in terms of who's going to be up next. And I've always said that Gucci could be next if they did kind of elevate their look and become a little bit more timeless. You know, they want to be able to compete with the likes of Chanel and Hermes and Louis Vuitton. And I think that with Louis Vuitton, kind of, they've been doing a lot of different things. And I also think that with Chanel and all of their price increases, Big H is untouchable. They're going to be top forever. I think that there could be some like shifts and rattling in terms of what's going to go on in the luxury space, what Gucci is going to be known for going forward in terms of this era with Sabato. So I definitely look forward to seeing what's going to happen. Anyways, you guys, that is it for today. I just wanted to come on here, have a quick conversation with you guys, a little bit more impromptu in terms of some of the luxury items that I have really been enjoying in my collection, in addition to talking about the changes in Gucci and what we can look forward to. Until next time, you guys, see ya.